Alright, well, Mom bought a fridge from Jeff's mom a few months ago, say. So now Jeff is bringing the fridge over today. And we're going to try to bring it in the house and see if we can get it all to fit in the house and everything proper like. And Jeff is just pulling in now. So let's go out and see what Jeff is up to. Here is Jeff, and he's got the fridge in the trailer here. Let me go chit chat with him and see what we're doing.
Here we go, Joe.
Well, we gotta take the door off now to get the fridge to fit in. Well, we got the fridge in the house. Thanks to old Jeff. His big muscles.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Then we're gonna put it over where the other fridge was. She really wanted it for the freezer.
Yeah.
And she can put more in there.
Good stuff in there. You gotta use the ice anyway. Yeah. There we go, right? That's good. It's gotta fit in the holes.
Yeah, she'll be happy.
Worst case, yeah. Switch that one over, whatever.
You need to hold it to your house? Well, after a little doing, me and Jeff got the new fridge in there. It looks like it fits pretty nice, just like the old one did. We just had the old one over there temporary for now. Well, we'll see what we're going to do with it. Otherwise, everything went pretty swell and smoothly. We just had to take the bracket off for the screen door to make it fit, buddy. Now we got a phone call coming in, so I'll let you guys go. I'm back. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, commenting. Hello to all my new subscribers out there. Thanks for subscribing and coming along with my journey in life. Hopefully you guys all have a great day. Talk to you guys later.